Hi everyone, my name's Kathy and this is Willow, my dog. Welcome to Skint Living UK. I've been renovating my bathroom. I chipped off the tiles myself to save some money and I've tiled it. I've just got one more row to do and then my tiling's done, thank goodness. And I'm trying to save a bit of money on all the stuff that you need, so bathroom storage is my next priority once I've grouted the tiles. And I found this bathroom cabinet dumped by the bins. It was made of wood in a mahogany colour. It was a bit shabby. The back of it was white, this stuff, and stained. So I took the back off. I gave it all a good clean. I've replaced the back with some tongue and groove I had, and it just looks really lovely in the black because I've got white tiles that have like a grey black marbly effect, so I thought a black bathroom cabinet would fit in lovely. So I had the tongue and groove, I got the cabinet for free, and I already had some black paint. So what paint did I use? I used Santix because I had it because the front of the house is being painted. And I thought if it can withstand exterior weather, it can withstand a bit of moisture in a bathroom. So I think it's looking lovely. Really pretty, nice double cabinet. Been looking for one for months on eBay and in the local charity shops, and I haven't been able to find one. They've all been plastic or single, and I thought no, I need a double one. So I'm chuffed how it's turned out. So as I've sanded it and painted it, I thought, oh, I'll do the same to this. This is like a letter rack, a stationery type box. I'm going to put it in my vestibule to store all the bits and bobs. Are you okay, honey? She's moaning about the cat because the cat's in the hallway. And I'm going to paint it as well, sand it and paint it, because my vestibule has got black tongue and groove on the bottom half of the wall. So it will all match, it's all going to look lovely. So what do you think? I think it looks great. Are you doing any DIY at the moment to save money? I have to, because it's just like we live on a little income, low, tiny budget. So this is a great way of saving some money. So bye for now. Let me know what you're up to, and if you could be so kind, could you please like, share and subscribe.